Hey, so if you want quick access to your favorite restaurants, travel spots, or important locations, yeah, saving places in Google Maps makes navigation much easier. In this guide, I'll show you how to save places on Google Maps step by step in 2026. First, open Google Maps on your phone or computer and sign into your Google account. Use the search bar to find a restaurant, store, landmark, or any location you want to save. Tap or click the location to open its full information page. Select the Save option below the location name. You can save places to lists like favorites, want to go, starred places, or create your own custom list. Custom lists are useful for travel plans, food spots, or business locations. Go to the Saved section anytime to view all your saved locations. You can share saved lists with friends, family, or travel groups. You can rename lists or remove saved locations whenever you want. Saved places automatically sync across your phone, tablet, and computer when using the same Google account. And yeah, that's it. That's how you save places on Google Maps and organize your favorite locations in 2026.